Hey there, welcome to Affirm Match, this guided morning meditation for healing. Throughout life, we all get bumps and bruises from the outside world. Over time, this damages our being. However, at our core, we are all capable of healing. We are all smiling, laughing, radiant beings. This meditation will help you reconnect with that core self so that you can nurture and heal yourself. So go ahead and find a comfortable position that you'd like to meditate in. And if you're starting this from bed, I do recommend that you roll over and sit up. But that's simply so you don't fall back asleep. You can do this meditation in any position that works best for you, your body, and the space you're in. Once you've found that position, just take a nice deep breath in. Hold at the top, and then exhale, release. And just go ahead and gently close your eyes. Use this first moment just to settle in. Allow your breath to move slowly but naturally at a nice even pace and depth. And begin to relax your body, as this will aid in quieting the conscious mind so that you can access the subconscious. Soften your face, just let all of that tension melt away. Relax your jaw, let go of your shoulders and your back. And if your mind wanders off at any time, that's perfectly fine. Just bring it back to my voice. Your subconscious is always listening. And begin to visualize a loving image of yourself. It can be any image, real or imagined. Maybe it's you as an innocent, fun-loving child. Or it's you, healthy, vibrant, and smiling. Just take a moment to sit with this vision of you, this version of you. Feel their presence. The truth is, they are always here, always within you. So turn and ask them, what do you want to show me? And allow them to take your hand and guide you wherever it is they take you. Just go along, simply follow. This is a time to listen and observe. They may take you to moments of great joy or accomplishment, or moments of pain and difficulty. They may be real memories, imagined ones, or dreams of the future. Whatever comes up, trust that this is what you need to observe in order to heal. Now, wherever you've gone off to, begin to bring yourself back. Return to that loving image of yourself. Look at them and let them look at you. And invite them to come with you all the time, everywhere you go, everything you do. In response, they smile and nod. They'd love to come along. And together, you say to yourself, we are stronger together. We are happier together. We are healthier together. Everything is better when we're together. All right, well, you can let that image go and begin to bring yourself back to the here and now. Notice whatever's supporting you, whether that's a chair, the floor, or something else. Feel that sensation of the air on your skin and notice any sounds going on around you. Take one final deep breath in, the deepest breath you've taken yet today. Hold at the top and then exhale, release. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, gather yourself, and come out of that. Well, my friend, I hope you're feeling a renewed sense of life after that meditation. Remember that the core self is always there. Don't shove it away and force it into a corner like you've been taught to do by society, schooling, work, whatever. It wants to be invited. And I promise your life will be better when you bring it along. So bring that image to mind throughout your day and see how it has a positive effect on your life. That's all for this episode. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please take a second to leave a comment or a review. And make sure that you're following Affirm Match wherever you listen. I hope to see you back here soon. And until next time, go out and have an absolutely fantastic day.